Ms. Jonathan Stetson. And now let's all welcome Ms. Samantha Sergoda. And now let's give it up for Ms. Maureen Lanon. And now let's give it up for Ms. Kirsten Vaughn Lazar.
First of all, happy birthday and wish ko sana maging successful. And hanggang pagtanda natin magkasama ba? For real. For real sana yun. Kasi simulan ko na ba? Sa pagtanda. Magkasama na tayo. Yun yung wish ko. Sana hanggang pagtanda magkasama tayo.
Thank you so much po, Miss Kirsten. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa yung ganyan eh. Yung parang, this day, ikikwento niyo yung mga bagay na hindi nakikita ng mga tao. Kasi ito, like for example, si Miss Kirsten, di ba, sinabi niya doon na mula pagkabata, di ba, sila na yung magkasama. Ang nakakagulat nun, nasa dyan pa lang kayo magkasama. Legit? Ano yun? Akala ko nasa isang tiyan kayo. Anyway, say thank you. Napaka-cute ng message mo. Panindigan. Ang sabi niya, walang mag-aaway, magsama hanggang pagtanda. Ibig sabihin, mag-asawa kayong dalawa, magkasama pa rin kayo. Yan. Gusto kayong ganyan-ganyan talaga eh. Alright, now let's call on Miss Princess Reloge.
Happy 18th birthday kay Kai. Thank you kasi ito yung pinakauna-una ko naging best friend. Dati palagi tayo magkasama. Tsaka, tinutulungan mo ako, nagtutulungan tayo dito. Ang bait mo sa akin. Ngayon, hindi na tayo masyadong nakikita kasi college na ba ikaw? College ka na rin sa susunod mo rin ka. Sana pagdating mo ng college, tuloy-tuloy pa rin na maging honor student ka and naging mataas yung grades mo.
Okay, ayan. Diba? Naging emotional siya. Uy, kasi bihira lang kayong makakita ng totoo, pure, genuine na kaibigan. So I think, kaya siya naiyak ng ganyan because yung pure, genuine, natagpuan niyo yun kay Lady, di ba? Napakabait mo naman pala eh. Nice one. Alright, now, stepping into the glow, let's all welcome Denise Shannon.
Mamaya kasi dapat pinalang ko yung mamaya pa kayo.
Ayan. So, first of all, I wanted to greet you the happiest birthday. Thank you also for inviting me to this party of yours. And Kylie, you're a very beautiful woman, a very creative woman, and a very talented woman. You were the person who welcomed me in a circle na akala ko hindi ako fit. Thank you. And I hope na that trait of yours na you always welcome everyone, that you never let anyone be left behind. Gusto ko, make mo yun sa sarili mo. I want you to always remember that every one of us here, a friend, a family, a loved one, all of us, a best friend. We're all here for you, no matter what you're going through in your life. Gusto ko lagi mong tatandaan na nandito kami para sa'yo. And we love you so much. Happy birthday.
Alright, napakaganda naman po nun. Thank you so much, Miss Denise Shannon. Oh, sige. Siguro nape-pressure na yung next. Siguro nag-iisip na siya, paano ko i-deliver ng ganun kaganda, no? Actually, it's not all about the deliberation, no? It's all about the message. Kahit, kunwari, putol-putol pa yung pagkakasalita mo, kunwari, medyo nahihirapan ka to express your emotion and your feelings. Hindi yun doon. Dahil nandun yun sa message na meron ka. Now, please welcome Ms. Lian Organ. Ay, parang gusto niya. Sige, rampa mo yan. Ay, Alvira. Cheers.
So, happy birthday, Kylie. So, today, universe natin yung pagiging legal mo. Hindi ka na illegal. So, ayun. So, you're growing as a beautiful person. Everything. And kahit na kitang-kita ko talaga yung
Siyempre, may ginagawa ko.
yun lang, parang nakaka-inspire ka as friend, as a person, and as a family. And I want to wish you a happy birthday. Lalo na ngayon, na it's a milestone for you. So, as you enter this new chapter of your life, remember to choose your
Hindi ko napansin kasi walang
take
bati.
risks and never stop
Wala pa naman tindahan.
Sinusupport kita doon kahit nasa malayo ako anak ko yan. Kahit nasa Bulacan ako, support talaga kita. And
Sa inyo yan.
I'm always here to cheer for you. Kaya I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Taga mo naman ka po.
Ay.
Ano yan? Totoo ba? So, ibig sabihin, ha?
Galing talaga ako sa music.
So, it means bumiyahe ka pa just to be here. Guys, palakpakan nyo naman. Diba? Ang layo ng Bulacan. Ilang minuto o oras yung biyahe mo kanina?
Nasa 2 to 3 hours.
Ano yun? Depende sa kung traffic. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Grabe yung effort. Piling ko may taga-Dubai din dyan. Meron ba? Japan, Australia, Canada, Cambodia, Israel. Ay, binanggit na lahat. India. Indonesia. Okay, ayan. Hoy, nakakakinig yung mga ganong moment, ha? Yung ang layo ng friend, pero ganun ka ka-special, no? Kahit walang pa sobra. Sana all. Anyways, edi ikaw na. Okay, let us all welcome and coming now, Ms. Micah Angkot. Ay, actress.
Happy birthday to Purple Girlie Idol. Today is
to know how proud I am of you and how far you come. As you enter this phase of your life, I hope you give yourself enough time to grow and figure things out. Hindi naman kailangan alam mo na agad lahat. Okay lang magkamali, okay lang magbago ng isip, at okay lang mag-take ng takes when you need it. Sana patuloy mo lang gawin ang mga bagay na nagbago sa iyo at nagpupush sa iyo to be better. I hope you never lose that good heart of you. Have you and pagiging totoo mo sa sarili mo. Thank you for being genuine friend. I'm really thankful na naging part ako ng journey mo and ng mga memories natin so far. Looking forward to more kwentuhan, tawanan, and moments together. Again, happy birthday, Kylie. Enjoy your day and this new chapter. I love you.
Thank you so much po. Oo naman. Actually, I think that message is not for only this women. Kasi I think lahat kayo, lahat tayo, we all deserves to be happy. Deserve natin kapag pagod na tayo, alis, hinga, kain, pahinga. We all deserves to be us. Diba? Kailangan hindi natin kailangan magpakapeke. Hindi natin kailangan i-fit in yung mga sarili natin sa mga taong hindi naman tayo kayang pahalagahan. Kasi, ito tandaan nyo ha, lalo ka na. Maganda kayo kung sino kayo. Huwag mong babaguhin yung ikaw para sa ikakasaya ng iba. Kung babaguhin mo yung sarili mo, dapat ikaw yung magiging masaya, hindi sila. And now, we welcome Miss Desiree May Austin. Halak ka naman. Ayan. Sige. Good. Ikaw na lang. Chats.
So, I'm Desiree May Austin po. So, kaklase po ako ni Ate Kyrie po. Since grade 10, I guess. So, kaklase po kami ng online class. So, parehas po kami ng advisor nun. And first meet ko po siya nung online class. So, mape po yun. So, yun. Nagulat po ako nung naging kaklase ko po siya nung grade 11 po kami hanggang grade 12. So, ever since po nun, and tawag ko sa kanya ate, kahit mas matanda ako sa kanya ng ilang buwan. Yun. Nauna ako sa kanya mag-18. So, ayun, parang po yun nung magkaklase ko nung online class, nakakagulat mo, inuutos siya ng advisor po namin ng gano'n. So, sa ate, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is always stay pretty as you are. Always be kind, kasi birthday ko sa'yo, yung tao. Just ako yung ate. Sa'yo ko malapit, aside from Ate Juliana, kasi si seatmate ko si Sharon. Opo, mahal siya si Ate Kylie. Malalapit ko siya ng tao. Ayun, maganda siya. Kasi ganda ni Ate. Hanggang ngayon siya ng mga So, yun po, So, always wish ko again. And always choose the budget. Always take right decision. Always. Ayun po, Ate. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday.
Ayan, thank you so much, Miss Desiree. Ayan, di ba? Hindi mo alam kung para ba sa advisor niya yung message niya. Feeling ko may galit ka talaga dun eh. Yung totoo, Charis. Okay, now, stepping forward, Miss Juliana May Miranda. Palakpakan naman po. Mga tamad kayo, Charis. Ayun, buti pa yun. Yun na nga. Joke lang.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ngayon wala lang ulit ako nakita. So, since ngayon naman is about you, we'd like to make it even more about you.
Ikaw yung naging kakampi ko when I was at my lowest. When I lost the person I treated like my sister, you were the one there for me. You were the one who stepped up as a sister for me. You shared my pain, my suffering, and together we witnessed joyful moments, and then our sorrows as friends. Even if there are times na ipunan. No, all I could ever think whenever I see you or I hear your name is the moment when you were there for me, when you were standing by my side. When I was in my darkest time, you were there to give light to my path. When I was able to stand up back against my feet,
Duri ko naman yung daddy niya dun sa
to be with you.
ang dun yung daddy niya sa baba, dalawa yun.
Almost a year now. Almost a year now.
Nasa tindahan, sa kantin.
Our friendship is the most
Sa vlog niya vlog.
I've ever had.
Ay, di na, wait.
Hindi naman tayo madalas nag-uusap ng grade 11.
Anong sunod dyan?
But when I was
Ano po, may racial team na Giselle Alvarez. Tapos dinner na, treasure na. Treasure pa. Anong oras ang dinner? After po ng treasure, dinner na.
even if you don't
Gusto niyo po bang dinner? Oo, dinner mo muna.
You choose
Gutom na yung mga
to have I'm very thankful to have a friend like you. Happy birthday. Alright, thank you so much po, Ms. No. Si Miss Juliana Miranda. Okay, ako ha, one more thing. Pag naging isang kaibigan ka, I mean, even na, simpleng mamamayang Pilipino ka lang, nagalit sa kura. Lahat tayo actually kaya natin magbigay ng liwanag sa bawat isa. Sa family mo, sa friends mo, sa kakilala mo, kahit hindi mo pa kakilala yung isang tao, kaya mong magbigay ng liwanag. Pero ano ba yung nagiging hindrance para hindi mo mabigay yung light, yung joy, yung magaan na feeling kasi takot ka. So I think, yun yung muna yung kailangan yung unang ma-overcome, yung takot sa mga puso nyo. Because after nyan, sa oras na mawala na yung takot, ikaw mismo yung magliliwanag para sa lahat. And now, please come forward, Ms. Rachel Kim Bambiola. Palakpakan po, ibabagsak ko kayo.
First of all, happy birthday, Kyrie. Can you really believe we've been friends since grade 3? I was just thinking about how we used to play around outside all day, playing pogs until our pockets were heavy, jumping Chinese garter until our legs hurt, and chasing each other. Those days felt like they last forever. But look us now, senior high school students stressing about college entrance exam and wondering where life will take us. Time really flies so fast. We made so many memories together. I still laugh when I remembered kung paano mo kami pagdamutan ng jamin at flat-tops para sa boyfriend mo noon. Kung paano yung malalayong gala natin basta pag lumawag si Kuya Ronnie, tatakbuhin natin yan pa uwi. Naalala ko rin yung mga pangako ng pako. May pa-pinky-pinky promise pa kayo na kapag 18 tayo, saka tayo magbo-boyfriend. Para sila ang first dance natin. But look at you all now. Parang ako na lang ang tupad nun. But seriously though, I'm so genuinely happy for you all.
all of you. Seeing you happy and find love makes my heart so full. Remembering those times still blows my mind. How long we've been in this journey together. But of course, we knew friendship isn't always sunshine and games. We had our share of misunderstandings, times we could see eye to eye, and moments we just didn't agree on things. But what I love the most about us, that we never let those rough patches break us apart. We always took the time to talk it out, listen to each other, and work through everything even with heart. I want to thank you for being my safe place. There have been so many times when I couldn't talk to anyone else, but I knew I could open up to you completely. You never judge me. You always take time to understand every situation, no matter how complicated it is. Thank you for being like an older sister to me, and honestly, thank you for letting me experience what it's like to have an older sister. I want you to know how grateful I am to have you in my life. You've been there for me through everything, and I pray that our friendships last not just when we're 18, not until just college, but for the rest of our life. Again, happy birthday. May this new chapter of your life bring you all the joy, success, and love you deserve. May God continue to bless with His peace that surpass all understanding, and may He lead you to the path He was prepared just for you.
Grabe, ate Imperial, hindi mo alam kung may galit ba dito? Grabe, pagtaas pa. Ay, kala ko talaga eh. Anyways, grabe naman yung kwento. Grabe yung history. Literal. Anyways, nakakatuwa na ate Material pala to si Lady Kyrie, di ba? Hindi lahat sa atin kayang maging ate kasi lagi na, bunso ako. E di ikaw na. And finally, yes, let's welcome ang kahuli-hulihang tao. Naku, baka pa hindi. Galing pa lang ito ng India. At tayo dyan, umuwi ka na ulit. Carious. Alright, let us all welcome Ms. Giselle Alvarez. Okay, wait lang. Lalambutan daw. Wait lang, stop ka muna dyan. Once again, let us all welcome Ms. Giselle Alvarez. Balik ka doon. Charis, tama na. Inawa, okay?
Ano pala? Siyempre yung ganda-ganda. Masarap ko pang gumanda ngayon. And thank you ako kasi ikaw yung naging kaibigan ko sa first day ko pa lang mag-kaibigan. Siyempre wala pa akong kumilala na ikaw yung nag-approach sa akin. And hindi ko akalain na mas magiging yung friendship natin. And siyempre, una sa lahat, siyempre, natagan ako. And hindi ko ini-expect talaga nung dati na magiging kaibigan kita kasi siyempre, una ko pa lang doon. And sobrang thankful ko na nakilala kita kasi parang ate na kita, kahit ako yung ate mo. Si Kani kasi, yung taong nakilala ko na irresponsable and laging handang tumulong. Ay! Responsable! Pressure na pressure. And hindi man tayo magkalago, pero kapatid yung turing ko sa'yo. And kahit minsan may mga bagay tayong hindi napagkakaintindihan, alam natin sa isa't isa na mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung pagkakaibigan natin. Wish ko na makamit mo yung lahat ng goal mo sa buhay at syempre, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. And wish ko all good things na at makamit mo at enjoy mo yung journey mo.
Hindi pa rin. Sabi mo, irresponsable. Babalik kita doon. Nilipad na kayo ng India ngayon na. Hindi daw. Ano daw kasi, kabaliktaran daw ng irresponsable. O yan na, sinalo na kita. Kasi baka magalit ka sa akin. Di ba? Eh, salamat sa'yo. Anyways, may I call on once again ang lahat po ng ating naging candles and letters. Sige, punta po muna dito lahat. Alright, at dahil iilipan na po yan ngayon ni Lady Kyrie, sige ba, tayo muna ikaw. Hi, mais kayo. One line. Tamo? Pwede dito? Alam, nagagalit siya sa akin. Ba't nakapenta? Ayos ka doon! Yan na. Sige, ayos muna. Ayan, alright. Sige, this time, ibablow niyo na po yung mga candles. Open mo muna. Alright. Namamatay. Namamatay. Oh, ikaw, ayan, sindi na lang, sindi. Para rekta. Papatay ko po. Papatay ko po. Sige na. Ay, diba? Nilingon pa, oh. Kuminto ka. Ang brilliant ng apoy. Charis. Sige, kaya ba? Baka pagpatay na, papatay lahat. Ulas talaga kayo lahat dyan. Okay, sige, ayan. Alright. Hindi pa rin. Ang tagal Anyways, yan, once again, thank you so much po. Na lahat po, nagbigay talaga ng time just to be here. And also, no, lahat kayo sinasabi, maganda siya ngayon. Kayo din talaga eh. So, ibig sabihin bukas hindi na. Yes! Ay, laro. Laro tayo. Sorry, sabihin. Alright, ayan. Sige. Yan, salamat. So, pinagtrabaho niyo pa talaga kung debutant natin, you know.